In the heart of southern Latvia, Rundāle Palace stands as one of the finest Baroque and Rococo palaces in the Baltic region. Surrounded by carefully designed gardens and flat rural landscapes, it reflects the grandeur of 18th century aristocratic Europe. The palace was designed by Italian architect Bartolomeo Rastrelli, who also worked on the Winter Palace in St. Petersburg. It was commissioned by Ernst Johann von Biron, Duke of Courland, as a symbol of his power and status within the Russian Empire's Baltic territories. Built in the Baroque style with strong Rococo influence, Rundale Palace features ornate interiors, grand ceremonial halls, gilded decorations, and elegant symmetry. Its design was intended to showcase wealth, authority, and refined European taste. Over time, the palace experienced periods of neglect, war damage, and changing political regimes. However, extensive restoration work in the 20th century revived its original appearance, turning it into one of Latvia's most important cultural landmarks. About 15 kilometers from Rundāle Palace stands Bauska Castle. This medieval fortress, located at the confluence of the Musa and Mēmele rivers, once served as a key defensive stronghold for the Livonian order. Together, Bauska Castle and Rundāle Palace represent two contrasting eras of power in the region, one built for military defense, the other for aristocratic elegance and courtly life. Today, Rundāle Palace has been fully restored and functions as a museum and cultural site, attracting visitors from around the world. As the centerpiece of Latvia's architectural heritage, Rundāle Palace continues to stand as a symbol of Baroque beauty and historical transformation.